Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make Degi chicken roast. It is a popular roast in Asian countries. First we will marinate chicken, then steam it, and after that we will bake it in the oven to have a tender, juicy and delicious Degi chicken roast inshallah. To marinate it we need whole chicken 2.5 pound, juice of 1 lemon, all-purpose flour 1 tablespoon, garlic grated 1 tablespoon, extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon. This is shan, chana chaat masala, yogurt half cup, and orange food color 1/8 teaspoon. So let's mix everything in the bowl. Then coat this marination to every part of the chicken with bismillah. Also fill the deep cuts on the chicken we already made. It is ready for marination. Cover it and keep it in fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Then we will steam it inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our chicken is marinated. Now add 6 cups of water in the pan and place net basket in it. Then place marinated chicken in it carefully. Place it with bismillah. Also pour remaining masala of marination on the chicken. Then cover it and let the water boil for 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, start cooking in the steam. Now keep the flame medium high and let it cook for 50 minutes in the steam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 50 minutes, chicken become tender in steam. Now turn off the flame and shift the whole steamed chicken in a Pyrex dish carefully. Shift it with bismillah. Preheat oven at 485 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and bake it for 10 minutes to have a beautiful Degi chicken roast inshallah. Alhamdulillah, it is ready after 10 minutes. Enjoy it together with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious and beautiful Degi chicken roast is ready. Enjoy it with your family and friends and share the recipe. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.